guys, I'm back and today we've got a couple of Spigen phone cases and a screen protector for the iPhone 11s. So I'm just going to quickly test each one out and share my thoughts with you. So let's get to it. First up, we've got the screen protector from Spigen. So this is called the Easy Fit Glass TR Slim and is supposed to be user-friendly. So you actually get tutorial, manual, guides, and you'll also get something called a squeegee to remove air bubbles, and of course some lens and screen cleaning wipes. So other than that cleaning wipes, we also have a cleaning cloth, and then we have this dust remover sticker, so in case your phone is really dirty, you can use this and stick. So let's read the instruction and do this. Okay, so I have to wipe the phone clean. We've got the iPhone 11. Scrub. Up, down, that's what they say. And then step 1, film. Okay, so I'm supposed to tear off this back sticker, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this film at the back. So this is where you're supposed to stick it to your screen, yeah? I'm gonna slap it on the phone. Oh my god. Moment of truth. Am I doing it right? I think I'm doing it right. Okay. So I need to press and slide like that. Wait for 30 seconds and then remove from here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's 30 years later. And we're supposed to remove the strip. And then you're supposed to lift this up. Oh. Okay, oh my god. Okay, I see air bubbles. But you're supposed to remove the protection film first. Oh no, it's air bubble from the protection film, not from the phone. I don't even need the squeegee! Can you see this? So there is basically no air bubbles at all. Okay, so it's freaking easy to attach it. It's my first time somehow. But if there is air bubble, you can use this squeegee and then you're just supposed to like push it, and this is actually not hard. You see, it's bendable. Yeah, so you're supposed to just push out all the air bubbles, but I don't even need it. Good job. So basically, I've attached the screen protector, right? And it's supposed to be a tempered glass and it has 9H hardness according to military grading and stuff. So it also has an oleophobic coating for fingerprint resistance. So I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see it, but so far I don't see a fingerprint mark. And now we're gonna just rub this screen on the table and see if there's any scratches. I can't see it, but no, there aren't any scratches. Let me just examine it. Okay, so I've checked it. I don't see any scratches, so this screen protector is actually good to go. Next up, we have the Ultra Hybrid series. So this is the Ultra Hybrid S Crystal Clear and this is Ultra Hybrid Black. The only difference with having an S or not an S is the kickstand. Okay, so if you really like the color of your phone, you probably get clear cases so that you can actually show off the colors, right? So I'm just gonna put this on the green and yellow iPhone. Both has like these bumpers so that there is edge protection, and they're quite easy to, put it on. But it's a bit harder with this. Oh, not really, it's just me. And for this one, you get a kickstand, right? So it's magnetic. There's a magnet right here. I guess this is kind of cool, so if you want to watch stuff like that. Ta-da! And it doesn't feel too heavy. It's a bit bulkier at the side, but then you get the protection, so it's fine. Matte finish, feels really smooth. This one, it'll feel a bit, not to say sticky, but it's not as smooth, okay. So yeah, I guess they're both quite comfortable to hold. And we're gonna try removing them to see if it's just as easy as putting them on. Just gonna remove one. Not too hard, I guess. Yeah, it's quite easy too. Alright, so what's next? We're gonna go with this one. This is the Spigen Rugged Armor. So basically this case, it's supposed to give more protection. You can see inside there's this like spider web pattern. and there is a hole for you to showcase your Apple logo, obviously. We're just going to test it out with the black phone. So black on black. It should look nice. This is how it looks like. It has a matte feeling and actually it feels a bit like cloth. This is really nice to touch. And as for its buttons, it's still easy to use. There's no like, it isn't hard to press. And this is like a car inspired design. I'm not really sure why, but it looks nice, I guess. And we're gonna do a little drop test with this phone. So just done the drop test and it's perfectly fine. I was really scared, but everything turns out fine. The corners so far are good. The screen is also good, so this means the case and the screen protector is good. So last but not least, we have the Tough Armor series. So we've got two right here. This is the Tough Armor Black and this is the Tough Armor Gunmetal. So I'm just gonna put these cases on, one phone each. Okay, it's quite easy to put on. This is one. And this is the one on Gunmetal. So this is supposedly one of the most popular cases Spigen has, and it really gives you strong protection. It has dual layer body. So there's dual layer, right? You can actually take out one of this. Look at this. Can you see it? Yeah, you can take out this frame. I mean, you wouldn't lah, but you can. And then there's also a kickstand, which is like the Ultra Hybrid S right here. But compared to the Ultra Hybrid S, this doesn't have a magnet, so it's a bit more filmy, I would say. Yeah, it doesn't just attach itself. But if it comes out, there is a tutorial on how you can install it back in, so it's not actually spoiled. So with the Tough Armor case, we dropped it a few more times than usual and it still survived. There are no scratches, no dents, and the screen protector is also working well. The only thing I think with this is that the button pressing, it doesn't feel as nice, and it's obviously much bulkier than some may prefer, you know. So if you really want a strong protection case, then this would be the one to go to, but it might not be to your liking design-wise. So that's basically it about all these Spigen phone cases. They all have their own strengths and weaknesses, but if I had to pick one of my favorites, it's going to be the Ultra Hybrid S, because this is transparent. I like that it can show the whole color and design, and I also like this kickstand that is magnetic. The screen protector is 55 ringgit. This Ultra Hybrid case is 60. This Rugged Armor, this one, it's 50, and the Tough Armor, since you know it gives really good protection, is 79 ringgit. Now, good things are meant to be shared, so if you fancy getting yourself a Spigen case, I've got some discount vouchers for you beautiful people so you can get it for cheaper. I'll link the discount voucher and also the link to all these phone cases down below. I'll also be giving away 3 Spigen cases to 3 winners, so if you'd like to join the giveaway, please make sure to check out our Facebook page KL Gadget Guy for more information. I'll also link the giveaway in the description box down below. So that's it for our video today. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!